you will see this dashboard, and this is a ERP software. Okay, so
Okay.
ERP, basically what ERP is, let's go by the definition.
Okay.
So, enterprise resource planning. So, it is basically a software that integrates key business processes like finance, manufacturing, supply chain management, CRM, ER, sales tools, or anything like anything your business has. Let's say, for example, we want to sell this software to a logistics company, let's say, or
Okay.
let's say a simple example, maybe tiles manufacturing.
Tiles manufacturing company. Okay.
Uh, so we will see what kind of key business processes it has. Okay. So
Okay.
basically, see, raw material procurement is there in a tile manufacturing company. Powder preparation, forming and pressing is there, drying is there, glazing and decoration. All this is part of their production.
Okay.
So in its ERP, let's make it more crisp and clear. So production planning and scheduling. Okay.
Okay.
So every tile manufacturer will have these requirements. They either are doing it manually in the industry right now or might be using other ERP or tools or softwares or other tools as well, right? Which might be limited or might be matured. We don't know right now. But when you go to the customers, they might tell you they might have it or they don't have it. If right, either can be two,
Yeah.
that they are already using a software or they are not having anything. So if they are
Yes.
not having anything, so we can introduce them to our product. If they are having it already, they might be doing these things, core business processes. So every business has their core business processes, and ERP is a software which can manage all of that actually.
Okay.
So, for example, production planning and scheduling, right? So for production
Yeah.
planning and scheduling, there is material requirement planning. Okay.
Okay.
There is inventory and supply chain management. So they want to, kind of manage their inventory, what is coming in, what kind of material is coming in, what kind of, expense per material they are doing, and what they are selling out, right? So all that
Yeah.
inventory they want to manage. That there is a supply chain management. So supply chain is all about they are delivering it, shipping through trucks, right? Loading, unloading it on the trucks. So that
Yes.
also they want it to be tracked somehow, right? With a software or app or something like that. So
Yeah.
whatever weight of what material is going, what set of material, everything is packed in carton. And they have, like, let's say tiles, they might have long tiles or smaller tiles, one by
Yeah.
one tiles in some packed boxes, right? And they will load it onto trucks, right? So for all that,
Yeah.
tracking and managing it, they need supply chain management in it, right?
Yes.
So so then there is quality control. They want to, basically anything has a quality check. It goes through certain quality checks, and then their quality managers or quality engineers, they check it and then approve it. Only then it will be dispatched to their suppliers, or when, whoever is purchasing, to their customers, right? So quality control they are
Yes.
doing. Finance and accounting, obvious, financing and accounting all over the industry, right? Accounting for our accounting purposes, invoicing and all that, and paying our tax and all that. Finance also, how
Yeah.
to manage the supplier, you are buying something from supplier, then you are paying them some amount, right? And then you are finishing off a final product, you are selling that at a certain tax rate, right? So all that records
Yeah.
of purchasing and selling
Okay.
is overall finance and accounting. And then you're paying your employees and all that also, right? That thing which your customer care or customer sales people do and marketing teams do.
Yeah.
So all about that, right? Customer relation management and sales process management and all that. Then there is asset and maintenance management. Something goes into reporting and analytics as well. So every business, like, you just can type Google and find the key business. So
Yeah.
so let's say let's. ask AI, right?
Yeah.
Production planning. I'm doing all this in front of you, so you will understand the whole process. Production planning.
So,
So for production planning, we need these kind of things. So work order number, date of plan or
okay.
entry date of what work order was released, product type, is it a ceramic tile, vitrified tile, tile size, right? Six,
Yeah.
1x1 tile or 4 by 4 feet tile, what kind of tile, 2 by 2 feet by 4 feet tile, right? So they have different shapes and
Yeah.
height. So let's say
Yeah.
we want to create this software, right now.
Yeah.
So I will do that for you. So here in our software, we go to settings, right? So we can
Settings.
market this out to any industry actually. Okay. We
Okay.
just go to settings, we create a app. Uh, all of these are small apps. So this is a very big app, super
Okay.
app. Inside it, we have small modules or apps, whatever you call it, small parts of things. So this one is
Okay.
we are doing production planning, right? Let's say
Yeah.
all of this is not there because when we are starting from fresh, all these modules is testing. I'm just testing it. So that's why I'm
Okay.
creating a single module for you. So let's say a tile manufacturer, we are creating this software for them. So here is the work order number, right? Then
Yeah.
let's say we have product type. So we added this one field, work order number, then product type we add. Okay, all this field is getting added. And then tile size. Okay. Okay. And let's say remarks, maybe any remark they want to put with it. Maybe they will have different needs. For now, we are creating just
Okay.
4 or 5 fields, right? Basic, simple fields.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
See, this app, like the basic thing just got created, production planning for that tile manufacturer ABC company. Now you can start doing all
Okay.
the entries here, right? Work order number, let's say
Yeah.
80H2. Product type is ceramic tile, right? And let's say we have a code number 002. Tile size, let's say 2x 4 feet. Okay. Remarks
Okay.
uh, needs to be dispatched today. Let's say operator has, he has certain remarks on it. We add this.
Okay. Okay.
Basically, now this is fully functional. You have got a software
Okay.
or app. You can just, cover any industry needs, any business you can cover. Like even you can make, I can make, anyone, right? You don't need to code here or anything. Did you find it simple or very complex, this thing?
I still need to get used to it.
Yeah. I means you need to do try your hands on actually. I'll give you the link, ID and password to create
Okay.
your own, just go to the settings and
Okay.
plus sign, right? Here, you create a
Yeah.
app and then you just the app name you need and then all the fields there. So app name is production planning because the business has certain business function, what it might be doing, like
Okay.
production planning, finance, HR, CRM, sales, right? All those kind of things. So you just need to think about what is that tile manufacturing they are doing in their daily business work, daily business operation. And from that, you create the modules out of that. That's it.
Okay.
So just you can just start from settings, see the video, start from settings, do the plus, do the app name, and then start adding the fields one by one. Okay, any app name
Okay.
you can put, Vinay we can put, right? And we can start putting out the fields, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fields, whatever is needed, and we can just save it, and it will come here in the new tabs.
Okay.
You can start managing
Okay.
it right away, whatever fields you have made. It's just that for now. There are advanced things as
Okay.
well. You can upload pics, images, all that stuff. There is plugins
Okay.
available here. So all that I will get in detail later, but you just start from here. It's damn easy.